Welcome to my simple food forest. Today, 8th of May 2026, we celebrate 100 years, the 100th birthday of David Attenborough, Sir David Attenborough. I hope I've pronounced it right. So this is my food forest, and I'm recording this to wish him a happy birthday. A tribute to a great man who has inspired us to protect our environment. My beans, my maize. Yesterday we detasseled. That is a bee. That is a bee. Hear the sounds of bees and birds. Cassava, sugarcane, more cassava, a tree. This tree provides us with mulch. Passion fruit, a pawpaw, pixie orange, more pawpaws, more sugarcane, a sweet banana, Cavendish banana, sweet banana, passion fruit, Tommy mango. We weeded the past few days. More sugarcane, banana, plantain, sweet potato, the yellow and white variety, arrowroots or taro, the mango has started producing new leaves. So these new leaves are the ones which are going to give us flowers and end of the year, around end of July. So that end of the year, December, January, we have fruits. There is my pawpaw. Beans with native vegetables growing. We detasseled the maize, sugarcane, plantain. We cleaned the farm. We cleaned kale, apple mango variety. This is a tangerine. We cut down this pawpaw and it's producing new branches. Sugarcane, apple mango variety with the new shoots. So soon we'll have flowers. Our Hass avocado with flowers this season. So I'm going to feed it plenty of fertilizer and wood ash to give it strength. Hear the sounds of the birds. A tomato. There's more tomatoes in there. Plenty of cover crops. A pumpkin. A tomato and pumpkin. We weeded this past week. We cleaned all the footpaths. There is the bird. This tree has a bird nest at the top. So you can see the feathers and the nesting, a bit of dry grass. So I had a bird nest up there, and it raised its chicks and they grew up and matured and flew away. Plenty of tomatoes growing wildly. I didn't plant these tomatoes. These are all growing from seeds or the kitchen waste I threw on the farm. The same for the pumpkin. I did not plant it. It grew on its own. The beans are yellowing. They are mature. And end of the month, we'll start boiling maize. My rosemary bush. Comfrey. It's a food forest. Everything is growing together. Plenty of comfrey. Sugar cane. These are chives. Those are carrots. My chicken house under construction. We are waiting for the iron sheets and more meshing. Coriander. My pixie orange. With all the fruits, we are waiting for them to ripen, but they are now big with the rains, and small are growing. Carrots. My potatoes. Kale. Sugarcane. This is all the rubbish from cleaning. My bananas. So that's my food forest. Has everything, vegetables, spices. And on this small bed here, we have flowers, we have a tomato, we have passion fruits, both the purple and the yellow. We have flowers, we even have an apple. This is an apple growing here. Yes, and my passion are almost producing flowers. So everything grows together. My rainwater harvesting. We've been using rainwater since I got the tank 3 months ago. That was with the first rains end of February, the first week of March. So my house is fully using rainwater with a washout to get out all the dirt. Then clean water gets in, it's covered. It's fully covered to prevent mosquitoes from breeding. This side is lemongrass, there is the mulberry, and the mulberry is fruiting, has fruits, plenty of fruits, new green, ripening. So we spray because of aphids. This is a dry area. Aloe vera, some pawpaws, flowers, strawberry flowers. This is a tomato reaching its end stage. Passion fruits, vining well. We have a pawpaw here, an apple. This is an apple, and that is another apple. A bunch of pawpaw seeds were thrown here and there, so they are growing. The strongest will be replanted. These are spring onion flowers. So on this side we have spring onion mixed with flowers. These are pawpaw seeds I threw. They are growing well. Pawpaw seeds. That is an apple. Passion, another apple. This is a tomato ending at its end stage. Strawberries. We haven't had any fruit so far. I need to prune. We have more pawpaw, and we have our mulberry tree with flowers, plenty of flowers and fruits. Actually, you can see the fruits. There are those which are green and those which are ripening. The So we pick them when they are deep red. So this time we have plenty of mulberry, and then we have our lemongrass. We have our rainwater harvesting system. Everything is closed, every hole is closed so that mosquitoes don't get in and breed, with the washout to get rid of all the dirt, and it is open so that no water is retained. So a mixture of trees, perennials, annuals. We have trees on the outside of the compound. And so that is my food forest. This video is made in tribute to David Attenborough. Sir David Attenborough, we wish you a happy birthday. Thank you so much for inspiring us to protect our environment. Thank you for inspiring us to protect our environment. Happy birthday, Sir David Attenborough. We wish you a happy birthday. Thank you.